Hey everyone, my name is Mike and today I made a short video where I want to explain how to best monetize this new plugin called Opt-in Links. This is a plugin that gets you leads through some ingenious forms that act as some sort of content gatekeepers and are presented in the forms of simple links within your content. I had experience with similar tools before, and I decided to put together this video with my best ways to monetize opt-in links. So first one would be free stuff and giveaways. This would work best for PPD, CPA marketers and people that have lots of social traffic. Traffic from Facebook and Twitter doesn't want to buy, but they do love free stuff. So you have an article, and somewhere in that article you can put the get this gift link. They click on it and see the pop-up that says please verify you're not a bot to get this gift. They click, then opt in, bam, you get targeted leads. Another one would be a bonus delivery. This method would work best for affiliate marketers or product owners. Anytime you want to offer a bonus for a product, you can have a link that says click here to register, claim, get your bonus. Then they click, they opt in, they confirm, bam, you get leads again. The third way would be the controversial stuff. This works best for people that monetize celebrities and news or recent trends. If you're doing this, you know how passionate fans are. Maybe you have a Facebook page or Twitter fan base or a blog or even none of those, and you're just posting comments on sites like TMZ and oh my god, yahoo.com. Let me give you an example. Let's say the news says Beyoncé attended a party or went on a vacation. You read through news and find some pictures from that event that she attended. You pick one that's most, eyebrow raiser and post it on your site. Now you'd go and bring the traffic to your site. You can post some messages like this, like here's the photo Beyoncé doesn't want you to see. People will get intrigued. They'll come, click to see that picture, and then opt-in link pops out asking them to confirm they are real humans. Or it can just say that this content is for members only, and we'll ask them to enter their email to get access. This may not click for you, but it does for raving fans. They would do mostly anything to see their favorite stars. And I know this works because I've done this before on TMZ, and I got 880 unique visitors from one single message I post about Kardashian, I think, don't remember. Anyways, another way to monetize this is with in-depth reviews, comparison, top lists. This works nearly for everyone that can write and has a website. Let's say you wrote a review or made a comparison between several products, or made a top 5 or top 10 lists of some service or products. You divide your content in two parts. You make a great and amazing first part that is also free to read, but second part is hidden under read more or part 2 link. Just before they have to click on part 2 link, you must write a few sentences explaining what they will read in part 2, just like a preview. So they get hooked, click the link, you get leads. Here's an example. You make a top 10 list. Part 1 will have the 5 or 7 products, and part 2 will have the winning rest. So readers will feel like they have to know who the winners are. This works best if you can write good articles. With this method you could use the no thanks option as well, so that readers don't take you as too pushy or invasive. No thanks option is when they don't want to enter their emails but still be able to get access to your content. So this is just entirely up to you. These were just a few ways to use this powerful plugin for list building. I have a secret method that I won't publicly disclose, which made me over $1,200 on Facebook, and it's not about ads or anything paid. I was promoting a weight loss supplement, and all I did is post a few, I think less than 10 messages in health and fitness and weight loss groups. Had I had opt-in links, I could have made the same money plus build a list in weight loss niche, and then I could have made more money by promoting to that list. Anyways, I will share this secret method with buyers of opt-in links. You'll just have to give me a few days to put it in writing. So for now, click that buy link below, and see you later.